In this video, I'll be showing you how to make VHS effect in CapCut. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using. So what you want to go ahead and do is find whatever clip that you want to go ahead and do this with. So let's say I wanted to just go ahead and do it as something like this over here, right? All I got to go ahead and do is I want to go over to the effects tab. Now I want to go ahead and type in a few different effects. So the first one we're going to go ahead and type in is DV tape, like so. Go ahead and press enter and wait for it to load. And all I want to do is drag and drop it onto it. And then I can go ahead and, change how much I want it to, appear and everything, the size of it and things like that. Then the next thing I want is retro DV3. So we're going to type in retro DV3, like so. Once you go ahead and type that in, you want to put this on as well, and you want to keep stacking them on top of each other. And then I can also change the strength of this. Maybe if I think it's too much or anything like that, I could do that as well. And then the next thing we're going to go ahead and get is jitter. So once you go ahead and do that, press enter, go ahead and drag it as well. So we're going to drag that on. And then the final one we're going to go ahead and get is blur. So type in blur and then just add any sort of blur, to be honest. You can even add the free one if you want to. And obviously it's way too strong right now. So you can obviously either remove it or you can change it, or, find one that doesn't, that allows you to manually change it, like this one. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.